Her eyebrows look better than some of these girls out here in Vegas. I know that much. Alright, you guys. So today I'm finna do Tahiri's eyebrows.
I'm a star! A great big shining star! Yay!
Yeah, so, and I'm hitting my lamp. And I'm gonna give my mom a reaction and see how she feel about this. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush out her eyebrows.
Okay.
This is not a tutorial, so I'm gonna just do it and then we're gonna get to my mom's reaction and see how she feels about this. So let's go. Okay, so y'all look. Close your eyes. Look at her eyebrows. Whoa. You look grown. Close your eyes. That's crazy. Her eyebrows look better than some of these girls out here in Vegas. I know that much. Okay, sis. Are you ready? You are? Alright, let's go. Look, let me show y'all real quick again. Look at that. I know y'all see that. Go. Go.
What did you do to my child? Give me all this makeup, put it in the bag,